inside of this box should be some sort of 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. A all-in-one whole home cleaning system sort of job. Yeah, this is a Vax of some flavour. Let's open it up, we'll have a look and see how badly it is aging. Yes, hello, my vacuum cleaner and Vax chums. How are you today? Yes, we have another machine that was bought from eBay, sent straight to my house. I don't know really if I'm gonna agree with him or not, because it might. It looks like it's been very well used. Here is a hose, and the other immediate problem and concern is that there is no end rubber on this hose that seals it up against the machine. And I am detecting that it might have been used at least once or twice. What have we got ourselves into? So in here will be a wand, which thankfully doesn't look completely trashed. This will be the ear of Vax. Well, God, it is completely seized up. Oh no, there we go. Yeah. Okay, that works well. There's no big bangs and knocks in it. Yes, we have our little wash head, which is pretty much completely split down the middle. It's probably going to be okay, but yeah, it is that. I've got a horrible feeling that everything else is simply just wrapped up in this part here. And yeah, I'm not seeing any other back parts in that box. I think we've just got to keep going really. So yeah, we shall hack apart all of this bubble wrap nicely so I can keep it. Oh, look, it's green. That's mildly interesting. Oh yes, I can see the lid now. Doesn't seem to be smashed, which is good. Here we go, it's all going to fall open any second now. Oh. Blimey. So bubble wrap off, cut through, cut this, that, and this, and look, it's a Vax! Ta-da! Oh my goodness. Oh, it's all, oh no, it's all taped together. Get off. Well, immediately it seems I can't see. Oh goodness! I can't see any immediate massive smashes on the thing at all. Oh, it's a Vax 5150. Cool. From going to be the early 2000s, I would imagine. Yeah, this bit isn't broken. This bit isn't smashed. The rear grille is intact, and well, that's the immediate things to check done with. Thought the whole thing smelled a bit of piss. Oh, it's one of these, is it? Oh gosh, it's definitely one of those. Let's get the Victor V9 out, have a clear of all this up, and see if I've got like any other tools. So I guess this is probably it. Oh wow, we'll see if we can get something going with it. Okie dokie, Victor V9 meet Vax 5150. This thing must have come from a house clearance or something. There are no other tools at all, and it definitely looks like it's been used dry like this. There's no filter in it. Well, that's a little bit cleaner. I think we're probably far too late for any of this. I think we're also a bit too late to have that ever stick on there where it should again. Oh dear, oh dear. So, we shall pop that on there. I'm going to cut this cable tie off of what looks like the original flex. It's, you know, it's in fair and reasonable order. Give it all a good check. Yes, missing its fuse holder. Might have a couple of spares to go, but for now we shall plug it in and turn it on. I have put that together wrong, haven't I? I've got that completely back to front, although what it has done is pulled another load of crap from inside the motor. Right, you go on there, you go that way round, the hole has to be at the front. Variable speed control. For a motor that looks and sounds, well, looks like that, it sounds really good. Look, it's even got the old style Vax logo. This must be really on the edge of old Vax versus new Vax. Yeah, so even this is in place. Oh, wow, that's not. That should slide one way or the other. I'm not going to slide that now, but yeah, it runs, folks. It works. I mean, we cut the hose off. It's still not ready to do anything because there is no seal. And I would like to do a little bit about, well, some filtration. So let's start with the hose. I have found an hose rubber. I don't think it's quite the correct one, which we'll find out very quickly because that's fitted onto there. Yeah. Okay, I might have to quickly go back to the drawing board. That does seal enough for now. I think it needs to be a step one. I might have one of those. But initially, that is not a problem. The next thing we're going to have to do, sadly, is try and do something about the bags. So I have a bag here. We're going to fit this bag, and then if I leave it completely closed, I'm sort of hoping that I can pop this down on it. We don't need it to open up an absolutely fantastic amount. It's literally just got to stop the big chunks from hitting the motor. This is all a bit broken. Oh my goodness, look, it sort of works. I imagine what's happened to it is it's been used like this to just clean the carpet and pick up dirt, which is definitely no good at all. So let me just go and get a floor head for it. I managed to rustle together the wrong floor head. This is actually the floor head from my 121 that was in the shed, but I took the floor head out of the shed so it didn't go too rusty. So yeah, here it is. Gosh, it's very long, even with the one completely collapsed. If I have it high, wow, you'd have to, gosh, you had to be a giant to do that because you've got that humongous bit there. This probably is the correct one for this machine. This is the style that Vax used. Oh my goodness. With that hose end barely tried. Yeah! mean, it runs really well. It's, you know, it's even got, where are they? We could pretend that we have some proper tools for it. There we go. Look, stick those there. And yeah, this would have been a decent machine back in the day. Crikey, I've just filmed a video about a purple Dyson, and this is when Vax used to use colour as well and do mildly interesting machines. Although this machine would have been all about its tools that made this the actual model it was. And we have none of those tools, annoyingly. We don't even have a dry filter. So, yeah, not quite sure what I'm going to do with this, because all it's really going to need is a complete donor to put back to something else. But it's got a nice motor. It's got a nice housing. The pump works. Well, it just works this off, but the pump does. Hang on. It won't have had water for a very long time, and we're not going to be doing that today, but the pump does work. I very nearly forgot to do our water lift test on this Vax. So there's going to be a little bit of a cheat, because obviously there is no filter. It has what is essentially a brand new paper bag inside of it. But let's see. Starts on low. Oh, more power than a dirty fan hoover. Oh, 16. Only a lowly 60 inches for this Vax. They never were, you know, raw, unadulterated power, bless them. But good enough. So, yeah, I have a Vax 5150. Very nice indeed. Whether we see it once more or whether I just pass it on, I'm not too sure. But it runs well, and this is now not sat in a box. Have you ever had a Vax Rapide of this era? Do let me know in the comments down below. But until the next random unboxing of a machine nobody really wants, I and this Vax will see you soon. Bye bye.